All right, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome for another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Insta360 One R Twin Edition interchangeable lens action cam. Long story short, this is the successor to the Insta360 X. Obviously in the name, 360. What is it? It's a 360 action camera. This is going to be a direct competitor to what GoPro has out right now, which is a GoPro Max, which I have, which I'll show you guys in a second. Why is this 360 camera exciting? Why is this 360 camera special? Well, right here in very front of us, we can see a couple things that make this bad boy exciting. I hope to at least enjoy this in a way that maybe I haven't been enjoying my GoPro 360 Max. As you can see, there are two modules. This is a modular system that's going to allow you to switch between a 360 camera and a 4K wide angle camera. Why is that important? Well, if you look at GoPro, GoPro has the Hero 8 and then the GoPro Max. Now with the GoPro Max, you can go into Hero mode and then turn it into just your normal standard GoPro. However, it's limited. It doesn't go to 4K. It doesn't shoot in 60p. That's its issue. With this, since the 360 has decided that it was going to go the route of modularity, go ahead and slap on the 360 cube when you need it. Go ahead and slap on the 4K cube when you need it. Decide what's best for you. If you guys are in the 360 game, you already know that 360 from Insta is all about that software. Today's video, we're going to unbox it, hands-on, and then comparing it with the GoPro Max hands-on. No actual footage in this video. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you guys some footage there. All right, so let's go ahead and start unboxing. All right, so a couple things here on the side that I definitely want to go over. These are quote-unquote features. I'm going to go over some of them. Maybe I'll go over all of them. So you got the 5.7K 360-degree capture. That's one module. You have the 4K wide-angle capture. That's the other module. You have their famous flow state stabilization. Now, the way 360 cameras have evolved over the last few years, it's pretty safe to say that all 360 cameras are great at stabilization. GoPro's led the way with their stabilization. And now you've got flow state here with Insta360. You got waterproof up to 5 meters or 16.4 feet. You have the ability to do the invisible selfie stick. So one thing that I remember when I had the Insta360 One X was its ability to kind of really take away that selfie stick. Something that I haven't quite noticed as well with GoPro, whether it was with their Fusion or their Max. This is cool right here. These are some new features. Auto frame plus auto edit. One of the biggest problems with using a 360 camera is how do you edit that footage? How do you go from camera to YouTube, camera to your video library, camera to Instagram, seamlessly, as easy as possible? How do you add that extra coolness to it? 360, I think, with their software is leading the way. You got hyperlapse. Another cool feature is point to track. Of course, you got voice control. Here's some cool things too. 8 times slow-mo, but 4 times slow motion in 360, night shot, and HDR photo. Some of these are new. Some of these aren't. Every company brings in their own spice to the table to try and differentiate themselves amongst their rivals. Some of these I'm really, really excited about. Auto frame and auto edit, point to track, invisible selfie stick, slow motion. I'm excited about those. Let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. We've got the core, the 360 lens mod. We've got the 4K wide angle mod, the battery base, a charging cable, a lens cap, and a mounting bracket. And what's cool is that the accessories, the mounting bracket, and the way you go ahead and attach this to, mounts and this and the other, compatible with like GoPro mounts. So if you have GoPro mounts laying around, you don't have to go out and buy other mounts. So let's start here with the main body. This is actually pretty light. So my understanding is that these two are going to disconnect here. One of these right here, as you can tell, is just simply a screen, which is going to be this guy. Obviously, it's clearly labeled 4K wide angle. Mod is this one. Let's put this aside. That's a snug fit right there. And then you've got your 360 mod right here. One immediate concern, and I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video right now, if you've watched other videos, is going to be endurance. It's going to be how quickly is this going to break? How quickly is this going to have issues? Because modularity is cool and all, but modularity is moving parts. Moving parts means, you know, concerns with durability, concerns with how long something is going to last as intended. So, especially with this being an action camera, both for 360 and 4K, introduced that modularity, introduced that interchangeability, that might be an issue. So, and then this right here is where everything connects to. But this is also going to be your battery base. Okay, so this thing right here, I don't know where it charges, but this is where things connect to, right here. So let's put that aside. So it looks like it's going to be a charging cable, USB-C charging cable, so that's cool. We got books and paperwork that no one ever reads. And then you've got what? You've got the lens thing, and then you got the little case that kind of holds it all together, which off the bat does make this seem like it's going to be a little bit bigger than what your standard GoPro Hero is going to be, or maybe right around as big as maybe the GoPro Max. So we'll wait until the end until we put this on. Alrighty, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at how it comes. So it comes with, God, it's already all smudged and dirty. Let me wipe that off real quick. This is a lot bigger lens too, it seems like, than maybe GoPros. I don't have a GoPro Hero laying around to compare it to, but definitely looks bigger. So I'm assuming we're going to follow basic instructions here. We've got prongs here. What looks like prong goes there. So I guess you just link it up and boom, there you go. Now I watched somebody's video a couple weeks ago that mentioned that there's a gap. Do you guys see that gap right there? That gap right here is going to be an issue, I think. Now, I don't know if I'm pushing this in all the way as it's supposed to be, but it doesn't feel like it should have that gap there. At least I don't think it should be. But it snaps right into place. Doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere. And there you have it. If you want to go ahead and remove the base, you're going to go ahead and slide this. And it just kind of undoes itself. Now, to remove the modules, you're just pulling apart. That kind of almost looks like a RAM stick. And then you just plug in like that. So let's go ahead and leave this. This is going to be the 4K wide angle. Let's put that aside. Just push them in. Boom. There you go. Go ahead. Take the base. Line them up. See, and that's where the problem is. You see how I just messed it up? So that's how it's going to go. So it doesn't seem like this is going to be a quick experience, at least until you're used to it. Boom. And there you go. And you're going to take this bad boy right here. You're going to open up this housing, which seems to be just like any other GoPro housing. I'm trying to figure out, oh, there's another button right here that kind of lifts it. You're going to put that in like that. Slide it in. Close it up. And on your way you go. And then this right here is where you're going to connect it to your other accessories, and you're on your way. Then you got the lens cap right here. If you want to put this on, just kind of clip it, and you're on your way. Now, let me compare this real quick size-wise to the GoPro Max. They're not too different. This one's a little wider. If you kind of put them up like this one's more of like a square. This one's more of like a rectangle. But all in all, not too different. You got a smaller screen here on the back of the 360 from Insta. You got a bigger one back here. You got a back or a front-facing mic on the Max here and here. I don't see where the mics are. Maybe right here for the Insta360. But I'm excited, man. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to how quickly and how easily, but also what kind of coolness I can bring to my videos by using Insta360 software. That's what I'm mostly looking forward to, because 360 cameras are 360 cameras. It's not like one is 8K or one is 6K. They're both the same standard, 5.6 or 5.7, whatever it is. They both kind of generally do the same thing. The differentiator is ease of use software. Of course, image might vary. GoPro likes contrasty photos, contrasty videos. From what I gather, 360 is more true to life. But the ease of use, how quickly you can go from camera to your phone to posting it to editing it, that's going to be the deciding factor for me. So with that being said, guys, there's really not much to talk about right now. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section below if there's something in particular that you want me to compare, talk about, record. Hit that like button again. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate every single one of those subscriptions. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios.